Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Masasanay pa sila sa mga kasama nila at sa sistema nila, but eventually as the season goes, as you see June Manso immediately going to work, talagang
Comes it down low to Billy Robles. Goes up strong and got fouled. 2 free throws coming up.
side Balagtas and JP Sarao, you know, the post-ups.
Is hitting the first free throw. Okay. Mendoza in stride, dumps it to Balagtas, who backs in that one-hander.
I'm just happy for Balagtas. Really good, you know, number 4 spot guys this season sa MPBL.
June Manzo. First, Rizal has a chance to take the lead here. What a pass. Panalang setting up Marco Balagtas from downtown.
And so far, very...
Baityong backing down. Jepoy Sarao. Up and under move will work for... checking in for Manalang. Pumihit si Simon Camacho using his left hand.
Single Koryo.
8 on their shot clock. Lawrence. Tough shot. Mark Yee. Offensive rebound and put.
But indeed, his biggest influence is his father. For 18 years, he was an assistant coach. Even became an assistant coach for his dad in Bataan. But right now, he says, I am in Coach Mark Dandan. Ken and Coach Mike.
Maraming salamat, Andrea. A full circle moment for Coach Mecca. Stolen away by Rizal. In transition, Victoria behind the back pass. What a play! Connecting with JP Maguliano. The back.
Beat it off to that streaking JP Maguliano. And open floor basketball, I've always thought that Victoria can score on it. That's that being a scorer, but right now he's getting the ball more on his hands and allowing him to create.
Catch and shoot from mid-range. Pasok yan para kay Wawi Escocio. And Mark Yee, who misses. 15 seconds left here in quarter number 1. Armenion, bounce pass to Reverente. Pasa palabas. Denison, nag-alinlangan pa. Second quarter, Lawrence Victoria. Bounce pass to Maguliano. Off the glass, it rattles in.
A lot of upside para kay Wawi.
18-16 as Alday with that free running with a 10-man rotation. Nagbabalik sa loob si Philip Manalang at si Jepoy Sarao. Unfortunately, Sarao at the receiving end.
Last play na ito, little, you know, dive right there by Wawi Escocio after Ron Dennison that got a couple on the ball. And
Na pinahirapan din itong Cebu, no?
yes,
In terms of seeding in the South.
especially early in the season when they try to figure out who fits well in their system. And, you know, no question about it, you've got quality guys. You know, I rest my case about Wawi's.
Tatakbo dito ang Cebu. But Tagangon had his pocket picked by Manalang. Joey Liu, pinagpaglang yung depensa ni Kitariar.
Well, the Cebu Greats were actually...
Tagangon, cross-court pass to June Banzo. Off the bounce, finger roll will trickle in.
And that's why he's done again for this team, but even every other team very early this season.
Victoria fading away over Paul Desiderio. And that's something. There he is, coming away with a steal.
And on cue.
Mendoza, Buinomba pa, and finally gets himself on the board.
Yeah,
Under 2 minutes left in the first half. Victoria pumihit, making it look easy. Playoffs.
And then this is not to take anything away from how he was used by Coach Gerson Cabiltes when he was in Pangasinan in that roster compared to where Lawrence Victoria is now.
Maganda naman yung pagbawi doon ni CJ
Oh
Payawal,
my God.
pero naman napakalayong tres galing kay Lawrence Paul Vic. Yung laban at 32 apiece, 5 seconds left in the first half. Desiderio nailing that three just before the buzzer. What a way to...
And making things very interesting. Paul saw that little switch. That was all the space that he needed to let go the shot and end the half with a
bounce off the rim. Manzo sinugod yung depensa ni Robles. So yung Cebu ang nagpalit ng grupo nila sa pagsisimula ng third. Desiderio who hit against Philip Manalang. Rejecting that ball screen. Manzo,
Oh,
that
man.
signature teardrop will give them their first double-digit lead.
Paghagandahin palalo natin pagbubutihin itong Cebu team.
At tuloy-tuloy
Oh, man.
ang pagbulusok ni June Manzo. Oh,
Well, tell you what, Ken, I'm just excited to say this. June Manso is shooting 70% from the field. He's 7 out of 10.
6 seconds on their shot clock. Caballero, baseline drive. Balagtas, able to flip that one up and in. Outbound. Outlet, papunta kay Manzo. Nahanap ang kanyang backcourt mate. UP down with Cebu, no problem.
First quarter, but so far, this has been taken over by June Manso and Paul Desiderio.
Bola na wala kay Maguliano. Ahead, Manzo will flip it up and in for his 21st point. Nandun pa rin yung production niya, no?
At saka yung I think yung, oh man, what a pass by Andre Armenion. We talked about a really good guard in June Manso. Here it's also pretty special. Armenion with that feed after he got that big man JP Maguliano against him, and positional advantage goes over to Reverente for that finish.
21-point lead, outscoring Rizal 18 to now 4 after that bucket by Maguliano in this quarter. Pumukol sa tres, wala. Leo ahead. And he will score with his offhand after that great defense on Paul Desiderio.
Easy patience of the Cebu Greats, not forcing it, waiting for that opportune time. This is the one that we're setting up for.
That's gonna hurt. Nobody bodying up.
Only ones who could really score, in my opinion, maybe would be Alvin Alday and maybe JP Maguliano. Andre Armenion, man, once he saw that switch and that sack off by
Liero.
and this is going to be part of their growth, itong bagong bunch ng mga Rizal players na to, as they continue to give that ball.
Caballero. Back to Maguliano. Off the bounce. Finger roll is short. Marquis, the rebound.
Oh,
Lays
yeah.
it up and in.
Marquis.
Steal. This could be big if they could score. Victoria slides in. Will that shot count? That's pretty close.
We'll see this here.
Ito yung pasa. Caballero. Na-release.
Oh yeah, that release. That's
Point 3.
good. Yeah, that's good. Should count.
And getting a stop and turning it the MPBL Season 8. Muli po Ken Pangilinan, Coach Mike Perez, Andre Edicio at courtside. Pinag-uusapan natin si June Manzo, Coach Mike. Mainit na rin, pangatlong tres na yan para kay Paul.
Tsaka parang pangatlo, pang-apat na 3 points na yan si Sia
The quarter scoring below on your screens. Quite a turnaround in the third, 29-11. Yung naging score doon in favor of Cebu.
Itong si Mark Meneses, that's the easiest pass to make on the baseline.
Manzo with 8 on the shot clock, sidesteps his way into that free. My goodness.
And at the rate that they've been making shots for a very high, almost 40% already. Another steal, another turnover, another runoff, probably another basket here. Oh my God.
Back-to-back triples for June Manzo. A total of 20.
For the need to score. Meneses, second time he's done that. He got an open lane on the left side, wasn't able to finish.
Robles.
Bandang kaliwa. So si June Manso at naka-isa pa sa ibabaw. I think that was Paul Desiderio earlier.
LGR is the official outfitter of the MPBL. Mendoza, a game later on this season in the iconic Cebu Coliseum.
Oh yeah, that would be on a different level pagdating sa suporta ng local fans nitong Cebu. But I think first things first, I'm sure si Coach Aldrin, after this win, this impending win, he's gonna tell his guys. See this play right here by Alvin Alday, little sidestep going to the right side of the floor. That's something that they really missed, especially in the third quarter when they got into that run, itong Cebu Greats.
And also, let's not forget, itong Cebu, dinagdag din nila sa kanilang lineup si Brian Heruela,
Yes.
former teammate of Junmar Fajardo at the University of Cebu. Maging teammates din sila sa PBA. And quite an addition for them.
No, let's not forget Al Francis Tamsi is also part of the Cebu Greats. And so when you speak of making shots and knocking them on the outside, that is going to be another weapon for the Cebu Greats. And this has been a great start for the Greats.
June, congratulations. And alam natin na this win is a collective effort. Pero kita natin nung second half, nung nag-take over ka na, doon na kayo nagsimulang lumayo dito sa Rizal.
Yun nga, masakit yung pagkatalo namin last season. Kaya inaabangan talaga namin na this season, maganda yung start ng Cebu Greats.
Speaking of collective effort, nabanggit mo na rin yung last season. Ano bang masasabi mo sa composition ng team ninyo this season? It seems like everyone is clicking, lalo na yung tambalan ninyo ni Paul Desiderio.
Unang-una, nagpapasalamat kami sa management na si Uncle Sam na walang sawang sumuporta, si Boss Jan. Kung hindi dahil sa kanila, hindi mabubuo tong Cebu Greats this season.